Alright everyone, in the previous video we left this attack undefined, and in this video I want to define it. So first let's figure out what it is that we're going to do. So when the knight is sufficiently close to the wizard, so distance to wizard is less than 50, attack. And what will an attack be? Well, it will be a little animation. And so if we look at costumes, it's going to start at 5. It's going to go 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5. So you see what's going out on there? He strikes out as it goes up. And then it comes back down. Now to control this, I want to create a variable. And I'm going to call it attack stage. And so the idea is that there are 6 parts to the attack. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I said there were 6 parts to the attack and I counted 7, but that's because I counted the beginning and end twice. So what I want to kind of keep track of where it is in the motion. I can't keep track of that just by using the costumes themselves, because I don't know whether when it's in costume 7, I don't know whether it just came from 6 and it's on the way up, or whether it just came from 8 and it's on the way down. So this variable is going to keep track of that for me. It's going to tell me where in the cycle I am. So attack stage at the beginning to 0. And repeat 6 times. And so each of these is going to be one movement through a costume. And every time we repeat through it, we're going to set the attack stage. We're going to change it by 1. So this will go from 0 all the way up to 7. And then it's simply a question of where in the attack stages are we? So if attack stage is less than 3, then we're on the way up. So what we want to do is next costume. Whereas, if it's above 3, then we're on the way down. Now, there is no previous costume automatically programmed into Scratch, so we've got to program our own. So we're going to do a switch costume. And then grab this. And we're just going to do it by the number. So whichever costume number you're up to, we want you to subtract 1 from that. So switch costume to costume number -1. Now, as always with an animation, we want to pause it a little bit, just wait a little bit so that your eye has time to see it before we kind of repeat around the next part of the cycle. So we'll test that in a moment. Firstly, let's go here. It says if distance to wizard is less than 50. I think that's a bit too close. So he's got quite a bit of reach on that spear, so I want it, maybe if it's less than 150, then that's a good time to attack. So this will take you up 3 and down 3, but what we haven't done yet is give it a starting position. So we mustn't forget to set it in the first attack phase, which is number 5. So let's do that. We need to switch costume to 5. And then at the end of the attack cycle, we want it to go back to its normal stance. So when it gets to the end of the attack, instead of being in one of these costumes 5, 6, 7, and 8, we want it to go back to the regular graphics it uses just for walking around. So switch costume to number 1. We'll just put that at the end after the attack cycle. And let's see how that looks. Okay, so he's walking towards me. That's good. And maybe 150 was too far. Let's try 100. That's good. And then if I move away, he goes instead of chasing me. Okay, so that's what I wanted from this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.